working fine. So let's quickly discuss the answers to this set that was conducted by me, but then the questions were contributed by Siddharth Gokhale. So as I said, Siddharth is another one of our good friends from Pune. So yeah, thanks a lot, Siddharth, for contributing into the questions. So we had this quiz that happened on 30th of April, and here are the answers to his questions. So Nishant was also one name that I might have missed, and yeah, Nishant was also one name that I might have missed, and Nishant actually conducted one whole quiz set, and the contributions to which had been gone to a non-profit organization and a uh, service which is taking care of the essential delivery of essentials back there in Bhubaneswar. So that we're glad we could also uh, have something like this through the way of our quiz. So yeah, let's just discuss the answers to this question. So just a second. Okay, here we go. So what was this something that debuted in the Indian Cricket League and all this time? So this was this spider cam that had come in. What was the uh, jersey number of Andrew Lepus from Team India? He had been a physio, and due to the fact that he had been a physio, very interestingly, he made a choice that his jersey number should be 911. Okay, so that was one good question. After that, auction to pick up the owners of which famous franchises was held in 2008, which city attracted the highest price? So this was Mumbai, of course. After that, so Sahara Pune Warriors was first captained by Yuvraj Singh and later Pune Super Giants by M.S. Dhoni. And then which player had the records of the highest number of ducks in the IPL? So Harbhajan Singh with 13, with a total of 13. Gaurav Kapoor, famous TV anchor, Breakfast with Champions, was about Oak Tree Sports. Okay. DLF, what is the full form of DLF? So Delhi Land and Finance, that one was an easy one, the easy question there. Parthiv Patel captained which team? So Kochi Tuskers is the answer to this one. Mumbai Indians has done some amazing matters over a period of time. Who had been the first person to hit a century? Sanath Jayasuriya, the answer. After that, question 10 is Jeremiah Rodriguez. Jeremiah Rodriguez is the answer to this one. Which player was adjourned as the famous player of the tournament? Jeremiah Rodriguez was the answer to this one. MS Dhoni is an IPL legend, yes, of course. But then, how many times he has represented in the IPL finals? So that's a total of 8. Okay. And after that is Gujarat Lions, and which Indian brand or franchise owns this? So this is Intex Technologies. So, memorable incidences. This player dismissed Harbhajan Singh on first and only ball bowled by him. So, who is this? So, Adam Gilchrist and Praveen Kumar are the answers to this one. Who was the first captain for ICB? RCB, nothing needs to be said more. But then the first person who captained RCB was Rahul Dravid. And finally, who composed the music for KKR's anthem Kor Bolo Jeet Bo? So Vishal Shekhar, the answer to this one. Okay. So here are the compiled set of answers to the questions. So some people are asking us how many questions are we going to be asking today. So we have a total of 15 questions, sorry, 16 questions that we're going to be asking you. And those will be conducted by me along with Anandita. Okay. So now I'm just going to add Anandita to the screen.
Hi.
Yes. Hi, Anandita. Hello.
Hi, so I am also here. As Rishabh already made me the voice of Homeland Quizzes, so I'm here. It's just like, Delhi Metro voices. A lot of people just think who it is. So, hi guys, hi, I am here. And I don't know, the owner or the admin, as I call him, of the page itself, tagged me as the voice of Homeland Quizzes. home run quizzes. So here I am. Hi Sridhar. Yeah, so here I am. Hi Anurag. Anurag is a school kid, by the way. Yeah, and he's my nickname Sridhar. So yeah, that's our finale quiz. I would say I was a part of 3 of the quizzes, and we did not thank Devdeep, I guess. So yeah, thanks to Devdeep also. They had a brilliant set. Yeah. Hi Prashant, hello, hello. I hope everyone is fine. Delhi in some areas, I think lockdown has started getting over. ठेके खुल के बंद हो गए यही सुनने को मुझे मिले हैं. So yeah, since the lockdown is also closing down, we everything that, as I wrote in the poster, everything that starts has to end someday. And but the good part is we are not ending it here. We have decided to take it forward. Am I right, Vishal? Maybe we would not do it as regularly, but we would take it forward. So, you'll still have some regularity in the questions. So, yeah, we will. Hi, Sneha. Hi, Sneha. Hi, Sneha. It's nice to see people here, old people, and I don't know why, but it feels like a finale show that, of a musical or a drama rehearsal that had been going on since ages. Hi, Janvi. Janvi is a daughter. She herself is a legend. She's an international badminton player. Her father is a brilliant quizzer too. I know her since through of yes, a lot of things. Yeah, I know a lot of quizzers and their previous generations also. Uh, Shomiron, we have not forgotten your set. I am pretty sure the sets would be done after this finale. This finale is like the lockdown sessions are now over. We will continue doing it, but yeah. So we have like 6, 7 people who came to us, and some to even Rishabh. Can we conduct quizzes? So yeah, we will conduct those quizzes. Uh, we were deciding on Wednesdays and Sundays. Oh, you have winners. Oh wow.
Yeah.
We have
So
Tanish.
go ahead, Andita. Go ahead.
Oh, Tanish, Shaunak, Sahil, Prashant, Samiran, Ahwan. Ahwan, I love your name, yeah. Vinay, Devdi, Prashant, Satvik, Sahithi. Sahithi, what does Sahithi mean? Please DM and Shahul. So yeah, we have some old, some new names. Hi Nitesh. I am not supposed to say hi to you, but it's okay. Hi Nitesh. Hi Ben. Oh, Anurag, thank you. Anandita is my favorite. Wow, Anurag, thank you so much. I am pretty sure once I come to Odisha, we'll meet and we'll have fun.
So definitely, I need to have you on this page. I need to have you more often.
Now I am a regular editor, and as he called me, the voice of this page. I'll be here very often. Don't worry.
I need to have you
So
more
let's
often.
move on to today's quiz because there are 16 questions. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's
I'm just
move
gonna.
on to today's.
Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, we are on the set.
So, yes, you have to please WhatsApp or messages on Facebook. Do not write in comments, please. Either
So
messages
let us.
on Facebook or WhatsApp on the number that you'd see in the slides, or WhatsApp me or Rishabh, whatever. But don't write in the comments. That's it.
So yeah. So total of 16 questions, and I was supposed to do this set, but then at the very end of it, I don't know what happened, and you kind of can see. I was doing this on the very regular way. I was about to make some questions, but then Anandita came up with one whole idea of doing it this way, which I feel is much better, and we should have started doing this in this way a bit earlier. So we could also have had co-conducting the sets in that way. So this is something really good. So this is something that I really like. So yeah, go ahead, Anandita. Why don't you start off with the first question?
May the force be with you since it's 4th of May. Let's all remember the legendary Star Wars and start the quiz. The first question here on your screen. So between 1661 and 1665, this person wrote a book called Vegetables. where he spoke about how water rises from roots to leaves in plants, better known for his work on a different field altogether. Which person are we talking about? Anurag, the WhatsApp number is given in the slide. Please check the slide. Rahul, it would be easier for us to check if you send it once in total. So yes. WhatsApp number is given below, guys. If you see the slide, there's a number 8600280168. That's the WhatsApp number. You can send us there.
Okay, should be a simple question. The timeline is something that will definitely help you come to the answer, and just look at the timeline and just think of a famous person. And as we have done this, we kind of are also on a mission to
And a big
get.
clue on this person would be this person shares his birthday with Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Madan Mohan Malviya, and Jesus Christ. That's what I can tell you.
Yeah, okay, very simple question. Let's move on to the second. Okay, so we're going to be alternating
Your
between the
turn.
questions. Yeah, we're going to be alternating between the questions. So even questions will be with me. So here we go. In the starting scene of this 1942 iconic movie, in a mansion in Xanadu, a vast palatial estate in Florida, the elderly protagonist is on his deathbed. Okay, holding a snow globe, he utters a word, rosebud, and dies. The globe slips from his hand and smashes on the floor. Okay? Simple enough. Just look at the year and think of a famous movie. 1942 is the year, iconic movie. Okay? Just tell us which movie is this. So, Anandita, you want to add something?
Yeah, so this person, the guy who made the movie was also the protagonist. Number one hint. Number two hint would be this guy who made the movie or the protagonist was, I think, a genius in all the three mediums. So he was a great, in theater, in theater, in films, as well as in radio. So this is one guy who is like all rounder type. So yeah, I don't want his name, but the iconic 42 film, I think, which brings him to the print media as well in some sorts. So, who is this guy? I don't want the name of the protagonist, because that is the name of the film too. It's okay, but I want the name of this. So, yeah, 1942 iconic film. I think there are just two. One is this, the other has Ingrid Bergman. I want this.
Okay, so that's question two. Question three by Anandita.
Yeah, so if you just read carefully between the lines, you'll know what I mean. So this city has more than 12 names, owing it to very long and colorful history. It has colorful is also a word to look at. It has scores of churches and mosques and synagogues alike. It is a city it is not city of seven hills, but it is a city on seven hills, and it has a mall which is the only one to have a title: Asia's Best Mall, Europe's Best Mall, and World's Best Mall. So you can imagine what kind of a country would it be in, and then give us the answer.
All right, it should be simple. And of course, one of our motives of bringing this whole COVID 21 quiz series was to uh, bring out and unite quizzes together, but then we wanted to make this accessible to a lot of general audience. So you'd feel the questions much more than basically on the quizzing side, they are much more on the walkable side, and they are simple and very easy. Okay, so that's question three. We are looking here for the name of a city. Okay, biggest, small, best, small, and whatnot. Okay, so think of which city is this. Let's go to question four. So it is a word which is said to have gotten from the Hindi word for whole, and it refers to the output of computer punched tape or punched cards. So what's this good word that finds pride of place in an exhaustive list along with 10 other geographical entities. Okay. Anandita, you want to add any hint? Yeah, Anandita, if you got any hint, please go ahead. I'm out of hints for this one. Yeah, Anandita, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can.
Okay, okay.
There's
So I
some
was
problem,
saying,
I guess, but now I
if
can.
you if you got any hints, please go ahead and give it out.
Yeah, so the hint I can only give a hint is it's a very small name, and it's a very small name. Also think of the Hindi word for whole and then think of a very small name which can also be a geographical entity. So
Yeah, this should be simple. So let's just also narrow it down. This is a four-lettered word, right? It's a four-lettered word. Okay. Yeah, let's move on to question 5. Here we go. Over to Anandita. Looks like there is some lag in the whole process. Yeah. Okay. I think Anandita went off for some reason. So let me just invite her once again. Just gonna invite Anandita once again. Hmm. So everything wrong can go wrong in with technology. So that's about. And one of the other reasons could be that all of us are spending a lot of time on the internet. So yeah. So Anandita says she'll join. Okay. So anyway, guys, I think I'll move on to this question till the time Anandita says she's gonna join. Okay. She says she's going to join in a while. So here we go. Here is the question. So okay, let me just get here. Alright. Born as Gaurang, he is known by a completely different name to us. Okay. So he renamed his son Mahakshay after the two idols of his in this picture. Okay. So who is this father and son duo? Okay. Who is this father and son duo? Alright.
hi.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay. Yeah.
So
We were at question 5. Please go ahead.
yeah, so it was my question. Don Gaurang, he is known by a completely different name to us. He renamed his son Maha Akshay after the two idols in the pic. So who is the father and who is the son? That is the question. I want both the son and the father's name.
All right, that's question 5. Anita, let me know whenever you're done with the hints and I can move forward.
No, there's no hint on. The only hint I can give is Gaurang. Think of a name Gaurang, which part of the country he can be from, and also look at his idols. It is these two people. If you can identify these two people, you know what kind of a person he is, and then go ahead with the things. So yeah.
Okay. Devdev says block hints for question 5. Yes. Multiple reasons why Devdev would say that. Okay. Question 6. You want to add something? We could not hear you
No,
properly.
go on.
So here's question 6. So Dash is a recent startup offering recruitment software to better allow companies to streamline their hiring. Okay. The vision behind this company is that they want small and medium businesses to be given a well-rounded hiring process in less than a day, even those without an established HR department. Okay. Thus, for as little as $50 per month, this company wants the offer of servicing recruitment of big companies that pay millions, so thereby making them more dash basis for all candidates. Okay, so dash, as you know, is so one blank is something that is there in the whole question, only the one circle. So the company websites describe the reliability of their service. We are usable, likable hiring software. It has everything you need and nothing you don't. It has built for teams. It's on the cloud. It doesn't need manual. It gets the job done. It is dash. Okay, so what one worded name and adjective which is often used in the quizzing circle. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the blanks are also indicative in this one. So yeah, so which
Think of
word
the
is,
think of the words you would use in quizzing circuit or a
yeah,
quiz or a live quiz. And yeah, there are two, three. Pick your favorite or do any, meeny, miny, mo and write the one you think it does. So yeah. Also look at words something like we are usable, likable, thing like words like these and try to work out the answer. So yeah.
okay. So you would want your quiz, or you would want to attend a quiz which is
This.
something like which fills in the blank.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's question 6, one worded answer. All the blanks are the same. Okay. Let's go to question 7.
7 lettered one word answer.
Oh yeah, that's for question 6. Over to question 7 to
So Mark Waugh, one of my heartthrobs in cricket. I stopped watching cricket since a long time, but there are some heartthrobs back in the day. One was Rahul Dravid and the other was Mark Waugh. So Mark Waugh, while on a tour to the Indian subcontinent, went on to become highly unsuccessful in terms of scoring runs. He ended up scoring 4 ducks, which read 0000, due to which he earned a certain nickname. I think it is as givable as this. So I just need the nickname that he got because of the 4 consecutive ducks he scored.
this is the good old Peter.
Yup. Even if it's not a Peter, the kids who have just started quizzing, just go with the fact that it's 0000. That's it. That's your clue.
Good old, good old friend from the past.
Yes,
Welcome
go
back.
because it's good old heartthrob also. So yes, a lot of
Yeah,
good old memories.
of course. Okay.
Yup.
So yeah, it's easy. What is something that we are referring to here? Should be very very easy. Just look at the fact that there's 0000. Think of something what this would look like. Okay, this would remind you of something else. So we are looking for that something else. Okay, simple enough. Let's move to the next question. Here is question 8. So the X was a non-violent political protest by the Sons of Liberty in Boston. On December of 1773, disguised in Indians, the demonstrators destroyed the entire supply of Y sent by the British East India Company in defiance of the American boycott of Y, carrying a tax to the Americans had not authorized. So, what is X and Y? Okay, again, a very simple, very simple question.
And enough clues in the question already. Look at the timeline, look at where it happened, and you have the answer.
Yeah, and because there's also one very particular geographical location. So, since this was the last quiz, we really wanted this to be a bit on the easier side. So, just two things we want you to take out from this: supply of what, which is Y, and which was this non-violent political protest, which is X. Please do specify this, okay? So, looking for two things. Simple enough. Let's go to the next question. Yeah,
Oh,
Anandita.
this is my favorite question. Yeah, I got hungry while making this question, but anyway, the Big Kahuna Burger is a Hawaiian fast food joint which has distinctly appeared in quite many movies like Reservoir Dogs. The restaurant features most prominently in Pulp Fiction, in which Samuel L. Jackson's character Jules eats a big kahuna burger and remarks, "That's a tasty burger." So, who is the registered owner of this chain of burgers? So, the Big Kahuna Burger. I think again enough clues in the question.
Yeah,
Look at the
definitely.
movies being asked and try to answer the question.
Yeah. And I see a lot of people are blocking hints on this one. So yeah. Okay. Uh, Anindita looks like okay. Okay, looks like Anindita is gone again for some reason. Uh, Anyway, till the time she is going to join in, I think I'm gonna be repeating and going forward with the next question. So here we go. But quickly, let me just send a message to her so that we know she's there. Okay. So who is this person? You have a lot of movies that you see there: Reservoir Dogs, Pulp Fiction, and all of these. So just tell us who is the registered owner of this chain. Okay, simple enough. Let's move on to the next question. Here's question 10. So X was first conceived in the ancient Punjab region, but soon it became popular all over India. So the South Indian states have their own versions of X. In Myanmar, it is eaten with curries or cooked with either egg or mutton, or as a dessert with the white sugar. So in Trinidad and Tobago, this is generally larger and thinner. Okay, which is this common Indian food dish? Okay, let me just simplify this. We are looking here for a food dish. Yeah, Anandita,
Why am I always there when the food questions come? I don't know, but I'm really hungry now. Anyway,
please go ahead. I'm done reading the question. If you've got any more hints, please go ahead.
uh, the biggest hint I can give here is go to any region in India. Any region. I can actually say this: any region, including south or north or east or west. There is a variant of this food item in every region.
Okay, a simple one. Again, a simple one.
I know if you guys getting hungry, it's closer to dinner. You can have your dinner post this. It's okay.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. Here we go.
Born as Ashutosh Ganguly, his grandfather Brijendra Lal Ganguly was the first teacher of Indian classical music in Shantiniketan. That's a big achievement. Appointed by Tagore himself. And his father, Shankar Ganguly, was a kirtan singer who worked with great music directors like Hemanto and Sholil Chaudhary. So simply identify this guy who is known to us with a different name and different genre of music altogether. So who is this very famous Bollywood singer? A lot of you might have heard his name, but not have heard the part that he was called Ashutosh Ganguly at birth. Also, I can say his biggest break came to Bollywood in 2011 with a very romantic, sweet song picturized on uh, two greatest actors of our times, or two very well-known actors of our times, and both star kids of their own repute. That's what I can say. They are all both star kids, but of their own repute. I'm not saying, कि उनके पिताजी माताजी actors actresses थे. Not only that, their parents were all stars in their own repute. So yes.
All right, so that's question 11. Let's move on to the next question. So, again, this is a very simple one. So, this person was shortlisted for his national hockey and football team, captain of junior rugby team of his country, also the holder of 6 national swimming records. Fastest 100 time in national juniors, member of junior team, Davis Cup team. The national under 19 badminton champion also received the national medal from the president of his country. So who is this multi-talented guy? Okay, go ahead,
On this,
Anita.
I think the only clue I can give is he was named after his father's favorite American president.
So yeah, should be simple.
And he's not an American. That is also a hint.
That's there. Okay. Shall I think we'll move on to the next. So yeah, here we go.
Yeah, so the X show, again, and a very, very easy question. The X show was the highest rated program of its kind history and was in the history and was nationally syndicated from 1986 to 2011. X has been ranked the richest Afro American of the 20th century and currently North America's only black billionaire. In 2013, X was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom by President Barack Obama and an honorary doctorate degree from Harvard. So, who is this? Again, I think very, 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 very easy question.
Yeah, so this question is like the just go with the first name that comes to your mind, okay? Because you see an X show, you see history of its kind, syndicated 1986 to 2001, Afro-American. There should be no more doubts on this question. Should be simple, okay? And we've given the most well-known thing this person is known for. So that's question 13. Let's go to 14. Okay. So
Again,
Lego
an easy
tributing.
question.
Okay. This is gonna go back. So I'm gonna try to zoom in a bit just for a while. So Lego giving a tribute to whom? Okay. Very
I
apt
think
question.
the only thing I can say this, they sang a song which is right now our motto of this home run quizzes wala page.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah. So Lego giving a tribute to whom? Okay. So Again, looking for a very generic answer there. Okay, let's go to question 15. Over to you. Yeah, Nandita.
Yeah, I'll just read. Wait. Yeah.
Sure.
So, X is a 2012 Indian drama film simultaneously made in Tamil and Telugu, written and directed by Prakash Raj, the actor. It features Prakash Raj in the lead role along with Akash and Radhika Apte. The plot illustrates the conflict of interest of a father and his son. The father wants his son to study MBA, but his son is more interested in sports and wants to become a famous cricketer. Which film is this? I think, and again, enough clues in the question. Look at what the son wants to become and what the father wants to do, and yeah, and also think that it is made it in Tamil also and everything. So
Say
the
just.
only clue I can give is the only clue on this question I can give you is it's a five-lettered name movie. So yeah, it can't be a big name. It's just a five-letter short surnamed name of the movie. That is what I can tell you.
Okay. Yeah. Um, do you want to specify something once again here? Do you want to give it out what it is? I mean, what is something that we're expecting as an answer?
So it's a short five-lettered surname that lends its name to this movie.
So, so five-lettered surname is the name of the movie. Okay, and the final question from the day. Okay, this had to come to me. So, a Dublin theatre proprietor by the name of Richard Daly made a bet that he could, within 48 hours, make a nonsense word known throughout the city, and that the public would supply meaning for this. After a performance one evening, he gave his staff cards with the word X written on them and told them to write the word on the whole walls of around the city. So the next day, the strange word was the talk of the town, and within a short time, it had become a part of the language. Okay, so which word is this? Um, I think this is an appropriate question on which we are ending this COVID 2-1 series. What do you say, Anandita?
So I'm just laughing at the point. I just made it, the last question of this series because just to say that this series would not end it abruptly, and we will continue doing this, and we'll continue pasting this word on your timelines, and and you will get this word on your timelines even after the lockdown is over. Maybe not as frequently as I said earlier said, but yeah, this word will never leave us, and we'll make sure that doesn't leave you too.
Very, very nicely put there. Very good. So which word is this? Again, Sagnik says the biggest feature of all, and Deepdeep also says had to end with this. Yes, Deepdeep, we had to end with this one. That's that. Okay, and so far I'm seeing a lot of correct answers and a lot of responses have come in. So that's really good. It's really good to see. Thanks
So
a lot,
before
guys.
we end the series, there are again a few little thank you. Uh, First, thanks to I think Rishabh because he started this page from my side. Second, thanks to Rishabh's roommate for not barging in today and disturbing us. Next, thanks to my mom for not coming in the room and barging in. Um, and then there are a lot of other thanks to all contributors to these sets. Thanks to people who contributed it otherwise. Like I would really thank Nitesh who would say ki ha ja kara. So yeah, he's the one who pushed me like go and do it. And every day I would just miss this quiz and he would be like, Nini, you can do it, go. So yeah, thanks to him. And yeah, thanks to all of you for attending because if you were not there and so we were like totally like as Anurag said, I'm his favorite. I don't know, but even Facebook shows the same scene. So मैं भी अपनी favorite हो गई हूँ. Facebook stats show that my quizzes had the most number of people attending it, and my poster actually cracked the entire page records. So yeah, hope that I'll quiz more and more. The more I think I'll leave quizzing and stopped quizzing, the more such quizzes come, and I'm like, नहीं थोड़ा एक और मौका दे सकते हैं quiz को. So yeah, this is my एक और मौका for these quizzes. And if I'm your favorite, yeah, you can write to me. You can do whatever. You can, I would love to, quiz now. I am now getting the vibes that I'll rather do live quizzes now. I would not go to, I'll not go offline. I'll do online quizzes. No,
So
no,
also
no, no, wait,
the best,
no problem. I would say there's no grudge against IIT Kanpur. IIT Kanpur, I really, really love you because Antaragni is still with me, right? I'm not talking about not doing offline quizzes and not doing Antaragni. I'm looking forward to Antaragni 2020 as well. And I'm also looking forward to KQF 2021. So yeah, if KQF people are around, I'm not talking about KQF as well. Other than that, yeah, I'm not doing offline quizzes anymore. These are the two, offline quizzes I've done, and I'll do online quizzes.
so thank you, Anandita, on that elaborate thank you note. I mean, you kind of took all the words that I wanted to put in, but just one thing that I wanted to add, and the beauty of this whole online quizzing is, you know what, we can reach out to a lot of new people, a lot of people, and it just breaks up the whole barriers that we have in general when quizzing offline, and it just breaks off all the geographical barriers, right? So, Anandita, your take on that?
Well, so I recently, not very, very recently, but I recently gave an interview to First Post. Shout out to Srimoi for reaching me on how quizzing as an activity has just increased in leaps and bounds during the quarantine. And
Yep.
like people who would not quiz otherwise offline, especially women out there who were finding it very difficult to manage home as well as their quizzing circuit. I have got a lot of messages from a lot of women saying, "Wow, these bring us to quizzes because otherwise we can't attend quizzes. We have kids to look after, we have families to look after, but we can't just find time to quiz. But your live quizzes make us more approachable to quizzes, and a quiz has become more approachable to us also. So I think that is a big, big sign that we are reaching out to a lot of people who can't otherwise quiz. I know someone who has cured himself of depression because of these quizzes. Can't name because yeah, but yeah. But so you can understand, these live quizzes have been doing amazing work, amazing work. I'm just not taking this group's name. There are a lot of other, or oh, Anurag, thank you so much. Thanks to you for joining the last quiz at least. Love you too. I really love all of you for joining this quiz. I just saw this message. I was not figuring out the messages. But yeah, so, you know, I would say please don't stop quizzing. Even if I give up, just push me towards not giving it up because uh, I think quiz is just a hobby where you don't lose anything. Either you gain experience or knowledge, or you gain a prize. You don't lose out on anything. The only thing you lose maybe is some adrenaline inside you, which is okay, which will come as long as we are quizzing because you'll get a rush and there will be a again you will be refilled through that adrenaline. So yeah, I'm pretty sure Nitesh will agree to this. We'll make sure that our child is at least a quizzer, if not anything else. So yeah, quizzing is such a hobby. Anurag says, please keep it going. Yes, we are keeping it going, not as often or every alternate day, but Rishabh, let's do it Wednesdays and Saturdays as we discussed.
Yeah,
So
as we
once in the
discussed,
middle,
we're
Wednesdays
planning to
and
keep
Saturdays.
we're planning to keep this on twice a week, not that frequent though, but twice a week. So Wednesdays and Saturdays slash Sundays are something that we've decided to do. So yeah, just before that, we forgot to repeat all the questions because that's also something people have been asking, like to just repeat a few questions. So quickly, let's just repeat all the questions once. Here we go. So who is
So
this
I want
person
this
who wrote?
person who wrote book called Vegetables, but otherwise known for writing something else.
Okay.
Yeah.
So iconic movie. Identify this movie. Okay, that's question two. Okay, let's go to question three.
Hey, go back to question number two. I think there can be a lot of confusion. The movie actually was made in 1941, but it released in 1942, guys, because of controversy issues. People might come and say, "Oh, you confused us." So 1941 slash 42. Let's clear that. You know. So yeah, that is a confusion breaker for that. It's a movie that was made in 41, finally released in 42, owing to all controversies.
So yeah, let's move on to the next question. Here we go. Which city has more than 12 names? Okay. Confluence of languages, seven hills, best mall of Europe, best mall of a lot of places, world's best mall, and all of that. That's question three. Looking for the name of a city. Question four.
So whole का हिंदी वर्ड सोचो यार, मतलब इससे ज्यादा डायरेक्ट क्या ही बोलूं. Think of a Hindi word for the word whole, and it's a very very small name that we are looking for. Very very small name.
Okay. Question four. Here is question five.
The more I see this question, I can only say it. Look at the two people you see in the picture and think कि ये बंदा कैसा होगा.
So who is this or was this father and Sandio? Okay. Question six is an startup, name of a startup, which is a word very often used in the quizzing circle. So, okay, somewhere eight worded answer, right?
Yeah, it's a eight worded
Eight,
answer.
eight worded, one word answer. Okay, so
It's a
eight
seven
worded,
worded, seven lettered, sorry, seven lettered one word answer.
seven lettered one, right? Okay.
Huh.
So okay, anyway, okay. Let's go to question seven.
0000. That's your hint.
Okay, 0000. Uh, Question 8 is political protest, non-violent political protest is X, and Y is a commodity. The supply of something had been destroyed. Okay, very simple. Here's question 9.
Yeah, so nine, I would say, look at the movies that I have named here and you get your answer.
Okay, very simple. Who is this person? Question 10. First conceived in the ancient Punjab region, which is this common Indian name. All right, we are looking for a food item here. And as Anurita also pointed out, any geographical part of country you go in, you'll definitely get a variety of this thing. Okay, so what is this? Question 11.
11, I would say, you all know this person for sure. His biggest break came in 2011, where he sang a very sweet romantic song for a movie where it had two star kids of their own repute. That was your clue.
Okay, question 12. Who had been shortlisted as a national hockey and football team captain and who this multi-talented guy also received a national medal from the president of his country. So who is this? Question 12. Question 13 is this.
I mean, इसमें और क्या clue दूँ? She is an African American, and yeah, that's it.
So yeah, question 13 and Lego tribute to whom? Okay, it should be the simplest one. Should be the
Yeah, we
simplest one.
got our motto for home run quizzes now from this band song.
Okay. So yeah, that's 14, 15.
Look at the fact that it is what the sun wants to do, and look at also the fact that it is made in Tamil. Also look at the fact that it's a 5 word surname. That's it. The work is done.
Wants to become a famous cricketer but has hardships. All right, that's question 15. We're looking for a five lettered one word answer, name of this movie. And finally, there could not be an appropriate time to this quiz series, COVID
to
21
end
quiz.
to end with this. So yes.
Here we go. So, which word is this? All right. So, that's it from us. So, thanks a lot, all of you, for joining in. And
We
yeah,
will
very
take a break of 1 week and we'll resume after 1 week.
I can definitely do we can definitely do this on this Wednesday, right? Wednesday slash Thursday. What do you say, Nandita?
Wait, today is
Yeah,
Monday. Do you want to
today,
do it?
yeah. So since we ended this, so let's just start off with as soon as we can, right? So
So let's start with 6th only.
yeah.
Okay. By the way,
Okay.
guys, listen. So the third quiz would be done by Vrishabh thanking me on my birthday. Let's do it.
Okay. All right. So that's on me. Okay.
The first,
So
so let him take the odds this time, and I'll take the evens.
so just like Anandita gave me lots of presents and lots of surprises, and also conducted herself a quiz on which happened on the 20th, right? So I think I need to return a favor there. So definitely, let's have.
Yeah. Guys, so if you're imagining what we are talking about, 13th May is my birthday. I celebrate my birthday with an array of people like Stevie Wonder, Sunny Leone, Sri Ravi Shankar, Sir Ronald Ross, Lukaku, and many more such people. And so, yeah, so it's on 13th of May. If you want to gift me something, give me a good quiz set, please. I love that.
Cool, then, cool. Okay. So Anandita, anything left that we should give out before we end this? Okay, Anandita left again. I hope she joins. I mean, okay, okay. I wonder why this keeps happening though. Okay, one thing that I wanted to announce here is our friend, our good old friend, our good friend Samiran Mondal from Pune is gonna be, yeah, Anandita's back. Okay, yeah, Anandita, I was just announcing something. Samiran is gonna be doing a set of quiz series, a set of online Zoom quiz sessions. Okay, so these are happening from the 7th of May, and Samiran is gonna be doing this online as Zoom sessions. Okay, uh,
Start with the literature quiz then. It's Rabindranath Tagore's birthday that day.
what is it? Okay, okay. He needs to know that, I guess. And all the registration money that is going to be coming in from this quiz is will be handed over to the people who are to some NGOs and the people who are taking care of the COVID 21 sorry COVID 19 pandemic that we all are suffering from. So the donations from this quiz are going to be going into that thing, and yeah, that is something that we wanted to tell all of you. So I'll also share the
Also,
link.
women here, hi. I, along with 3 other women, started this WhatsApp group called A Herd of Quizzers. We have our Insta handle also. It is called A Herd of Quizzers. Please go and check out that page. It's by the women, of the women, for the women. Like it's totally democratic, only by women. Yeah, if you're reaching out, for partners, you can reach out to us. If you're reaching out, not life partners, we can give you quiz partners because it's only women. So we give you, enough space to come and quiz. So yeah, even after the lockdown is over, we have a lot in line. Yes. So this is on women only group. So if you're a woman and love quizzing, please join us.
Okay, so I was about to get the link and post in the comment, but then Samiran did did my work. So Samiran has shared his link to the Facebook page. So would want all of you to go ahead and join his quiz series and set of quizzes. So yeah, please go ahead and do that. And yeah,
And guys,
any final
Homeland Quizzes is also soon coming out with his website.
yeah, that also happened just last night. So yeah, I'm on the making a website. So yeah.
Yay! Now, thank you and wishing Audrey Hepburn a very happy birthday. Ending it with that note. We'll just go now. It's more than 1 hour. I have to go and make some momos. So bye bye, guys. I'm
Sure,
very
guys.
hungry.
Thanks a lot, guys, for joining in. Very much looking forward to have you for the rest of the quiz sessions. And yeah, let's meet back sometime on this platform or some other platform very soon. So thanks a lot. This brings a successful end to the COVID 21 quiz series by Home Run Quizzes. Thanks a lot for joining in. Really cannot thank you much. I mean, it almost again feels like yesterday when we did the first quiz and we were very confused how this whole thing is going to be working because we tried the whole thing with.
So with that, I can tell a small line. Rishabh and I know each other on Facebook since 6.5 years. Thanks to this quiz, we finally spoke.
Yeah,
So yeah, see, this quiz did wonders.
of course, of course.
Chalo, guys, bye bye. I'm off now. I have to cook.
Sure. Thanks a lot, guys. Gonna end this now. Thanks a lot for joining in. Chalo, see you very soon. Stay safe, stay home, keep quizzing. Thank you, goodbye, and good night. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.
Hasta la vista, baby.